Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Microsoft has just launched their new launcher for Android. It's Microsoft Launcher 5, its fifth version. In this video, we will tell you how to install Microsoft Launcher and new features in the fifth version. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search the app or launcher Microsoft Launcher. Here is the launcher. Install this launcher. It has 10 million downloads and 4.6 ratings. Let's read some more about this launcher. Choose your look, stay organized on the go and be productive across your devices. What's new? Another major update for 5. Feed, updated feed navigation for your glance, news and timeline tabs. News, updated news experience powered by Microsoft News. Timeline on mobile activities from your PC and phone. Cortana, use Cortana to send emails with multi-turn emailing. Family, parents now can view their kids' real-time location. Key features, people's at your fingertips. Choose your look, personalized feed, continue on PC, search the web and your phone in one place, gesture customization. It's updated on 1st November 2018. Its fifth version. Launcher is installed now. Open it. Welcome to Microsoft Launcher. Click Get Started. Choose Wallpaper. Click Next. Give permission to access your contacts. Click Allow. Again give permissions. Device location. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Click Let's Go. Here is the new launcher. Swipe from edge. Swipe in the center. Here it shows the glance, calendar, Cortana, recent activities, people, customize feed, add or remove widgets and cards, calendar, recent activities, frequently used apps, people, family, to-do, notes, and documents. Recent activities, photos, videos, installed apps, clipboard, calls, document, messages, people, set default, messaging app, dialer app, avatar, add widget, asking to set as default launcher. We skip it for now and click no. Here are the widgets, wallpapers, bookmark, Feedly, Fitbit, news. Here is the news feed. Personalize your news. See the latest news. Your feed, glance, news, timeline. Personalize your news. News interest. News, entertainment, sports, money, lifestyle, health. News market. Select the language or location. Go back. voice input library, image, here it shows the profile info, add name, picture, contact info, email address and other details. Go back, find everything you need, click on search, find apps, contacts, documents from one place. Here it shows the apps, add apps to home screen, launcher setting, your feed, gesture, search, general settings, personalization, accounts, wallpaper, contact, system settings. Here are the Microsoft apps in one folder. So you see, this is the Microsoft Launcher 5 with some new features. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.